What's up, guys? It's your girl Ayana. Today I'm going to be putting on a wig for you guys, and yeah. Also, disclaimer, I'm not a professional at putting on a wig, so don't clown me. But let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to be taking off our lovely Alright, now that I'm back with my hair somewhat combed out, I'm gonna like attempt to like twist it down. Well, cause I don't know how to braid, so I'm gonna just twist it down. And yeah, if you're wondering why I'm combing my hair out like this, I'm like recombing it out. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys, meet Cheryl. I'm sorry she doesn't have like a baddie name, but we're getting somewhere, okay? I don't know, it's like her name is Nikki. No, I don't really like Nikki. Like, it's not that I don't prefer her, I just like Cardi B better. I don't really like Nikki like that. But let's give her Nikita Dragon vibes, you know? Ooh. Anyways, we're gonna give her Nikita Dragon vibes, and now we're gonna be putting her on. So, yeah, I'm sorry to all the wig people watching this. Like, I'm not trying to hold her like this. Also, I'm not gonna be putting down any glue because I'm not going anywhere. So there's no point. I mean, I can, but there's really no point. All right, I'm done. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm kidding. That is like, yeah. I cannot see it. I bet it's like all crooked. Okay, so we're gonna give her a nice little side part. I'm gonna play with it a little bit longer and like see where it goes and see if I like it as a side part or middle part. But yeah, be right back. All right, so I decided to do a side part, and I was gonna do a middle part, but I always feel like I do a middle part every time I get my hair did, so I decided why not do a side part and, you know, step out of my comfort zone. And this is really out of my comfort zone because I don't really like this. But now I'm just gonna be brushing it out, and then I'm gonna start flat ironing it. So yeah. All right, so first things first, let's get these baby hairs out the way. Now let's attempt to curl it or something. I was gonna curl it, but your girl don't know how to curl, so freaking mint. Yeah. I'm tired of doing this, and I don't know how to. Hi, Ayana here. Don't mind the noise in the background. It was my brother watching a video, and it is not what you think it is. Also, don't mind my pillow. I'm laying on it, and I got on makeup, so yeah. Curls. So I'm gonna put on a cute outfit, take some pictures, and call it a day. All right, now your girl is back. We're dressed, we got our makeup did, you know, some slight. I mean, I look like a little highlighter, but it's okay. These pictures are gonna be bomb. I also need to brush my hair because it's getting a little stiff. But yeah, now we're gonna be taking some pictures and see you after that. All right, guys. Oop, that was too close. Anyways, I took a few pictures. They were decent. I don't know if I'm gonna post them on Instagram, but you know, yeah. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And ooh, I will see you guys next week.